Hey YouTube, this is my Ibanez AEG20E. I bought this guitar off of eBay. The guy said it was in great condition, hardly used, bought it, lost interest. So I bought it, and when I got it, I discovered, which right now looking at it, you don't see it. And the reason the bridge is taken apart is because when I got it, the bridge was lifted, and I mean lifted bad. Now, some of you may not agree with the method that I've used here, but there's a reason for it. When I took this apart, and I've already gone and cut this all out. And the reason I did this is, number one, the top of this guitar is really, really thin, okay? And sadly, the bottom of this, the way they glued the bridge, actually it wasn't so much the way they glued the bridge to the top, but the top wood itself was barely glued to the support, okay? And so I was gonna go in there and just fix the top, but problem is, the reason the bridge was lifting was because the top of the guitar wood wasn't glued to this support brace, okay? And so I watched a few YouTube videos and found a method that one guy used that, the more I thought about it, from a support standpoint, if this bridge is just being glued to the top and the top itself wasn't glued to this brace strong enough, then the only thing really holding this bridge to the top of the guitar was the wood underneath. And as thin as this wood is on this flame maple top, there's really no, the fact that they didn't glue the top well to this support brace, it's amazing to me that this didn't break sooner. So I watched this YouTube video and I made this block and I cut it out to the shape of the support braces that run this way, and there's another one running this way. And the idea here is that I put this brace in here underneath. Hang on. I put the support brace, there you go, in here underneath, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this side, and this side to the support braces, which, instead of the bridge relying on the top for support, I put a screw here, and a screw, and when I say a screw, I'm using a brass screw with a nut. That effectively what's going to happen in theory is, instead of the bridge and all that tension of the springs relying on the top, this brace will be glued to the inner support braces, and then the bridge is going to screw and bolt to this block, and so all that string tension will actually be relying on the support braces inside to support that weight, or that tension, if you will. So the idea is, what I did is I put one screw in here. So hang on, I put this screw in there to hold the block, and once I did that, then I drilled out all my other holes, including my pickup line that's coming through, and my two screws that support it go in there. So that's my idea for fixing this, and I'll do a follow-up video and show you it all put together and working. But like I said, I watched another guy do a YouTube video like this where he that's how he fixed it, is he put this block inside, underneath, glued to the inner braces, and that's what we're going to do to fix this. So stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product in part 2. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.